Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Elaine Rau and I do product reviews and unboxings. Today it's all about this pink tie-dye tracksuit jump set, all this good stuff. So let's check it out. So it comes with two pieces. This is the top. Love the pink, like subtle tie-dye look. It's off the shoulder, as you can see on both sides, and then it's just a plain, kind of like a little bit of a bigger neck over here, but rounded, goes like that, and it's just tie-dye all around. Drawstring as well as elastic there. Oh, there are pockets on both sides actually, but no pockets in the back, and just tie-dye all the way, and then it's kind of scrunched like that at the bottom to give it a tapered look. Yeah, it's definitely cotton, really comfortable, really breathable. Let me go ahead and try it on. So here is the top. You can see it's just a really relaxed fit, really loose, comfortable, off the shoulder, so it kind of falls. It kind of gives it a little bit of shape just because of the off the shoulder look. Neckline, super loose, comfortable. Here's the back. The pants are nice and snug. Pockets right here. They go all the way up, tied them up, and then the bottom over here, got the cuff. Yeah, so I mean, it's just a nice, you know, combo that if you're just like hanging out, chilling, watching TV, even going out, you know, on a cute date. If you would like to purchase this outfit, check out the link below. They have all sorts of different tie-dye colors and all that good stuff, so you can choose which one you want. But let me know what you think about this outfit. Would you wear it? Would you not? Why? If you have questions about it, let me know as well, and I'll answer them in the comments. And if you like unboxing, continue watching. Make sure to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Okay, bye.